Hi guys, welcome to today's video where we'll be unboxing Top Aerial's new equipment, the SureStar Genius Laser Scanner. This is the box right here. As you can see, it comes in a secure, compact box, and let's get into it. Here we can find the SureStar Genius manual book, the warranty card, the quality control pass card, the equipment checklist document, the microfiber cloth to clean the laser head, two screwdrivers, plus and minus, the data cable, a set of cables for the GNSS antenna cable, and the power cable, a GNSS antenna, very compact and lightweight, a packet of assorted nuts and bolts for spares. Last but not least, we can find a flash disk which contains the software necessary to process the LiDAR data. And finally, the SureStar Genius LiDAR system. The laser scanner itself is extremely lightweight, measuring only 1.2 kilos. At the front, we have the scanning component, which is fully enclosed, and at the back, we have an integrated IMU, which is an inertial measuring unit, and a storage device. Now we're going to attach our laser scanner to our workhorse, being the Matrice 600 from DJI. The mounting bracket has already been attached to the base of the drone, which then couples with the mounting bracket that's attached to the actual unit itself. It slides perfectly into the mounting bracket, like so, and there's two locking pins at the back, which then come up and lock the whole thing into place so it's secure. Once this has been done, the cover can be removed from the laser scanner. And it's secure. The antenna actually utilizes one of the existing holes that we have from the drone here. By taking out the existing screw, we can then screw in the antenna bracket. So, the cable itself then goes in like so. And that's the antenna fully done. The power cable we've actually already installed. This plugs in directly to the output from the DJI mattress. The extension then comes around the back and plugs perfectly into the SureStar laser scanner. Now that we've got everything plugged in, it's as simple as turning it on, letting the drone sit there for 5 minutes to sync with the satellites, and then we're ready to fly. Why did Top Aerial choose the SureStar LiDAR? Firstly, it's quite light, only 1.2 kg payload, which means we can fly longer compared to our heavier LiDAR systems. Secondly, the SureStar LiDAR is capable of capturing data from a maximum recommended altitude of 150 meters, which makes surveying challenging terrain a little more easier. Thirdly, the simplicity of its operations enables us to reduce the workload and efforts at the field. So this concludes our unboxing video of the new SureStar LiDAR scanner at Top Aerial. We really hope you enjoyed watching our video, and we look forward to seeing you again.